very happy about the performance of today. Thankful for the boys, they've given us the 3 points and 4 goals. Tuko pleased sana because of any set pieces. The last time against Ulinzi tupata set piece mingi hatukuconvert. Lakini tuna thank God today tumepata hizo set pieces na tuwe convert. Hiyo run tukiendelea. Then hopefully the players pia the step up, then itakuwa good result because this is a marathon. Just the beginning of the league, so just keep up every game and I approach differently. We hope to keep the run going because that's our main objective, so long as we approach every game differently. So we hope that the coming matches pia tutapata a good result and it will be good for the team. For Andika is a top keeper, so compare Andika na Brian, the two both top keepers, so it was good for the team even though Brian alipata injury. Andika had to come in and step in for the goalkeeper. So I think it will take about 4 or 5 weeks before we get him back to the team. But for Andika, it's good performance because he's also the captain of the team. So for that, we keep on pushing. Then we have our other goalkeepers who are number 2 and number 3. All our keepers are. So it's good for the team to have a good.